To scale, rotate, skew, distort, warp, or give a perspective to a layer, press Ctrl plus T or click Edit, then click Free Transform after you select the layer. Right-click on Scale and drag with the arrow icons by the edges. Press Enter to place it. If you don't want it to look like Jerry Mouse flattened by Tomcat, undo that and transform it again, but this time you should press Shift key to maintain the aspect ratio. To rotate, right-click and choose Rotate and rotate it. Press Enter or right-click again and choose Place to confirm the change. You can also slant an item horizontally or vertically by the Skew option. Giving a perspective in Photoshop is as easy as the other options. You can also use the Distort option to manipulate the shape of an item. Use the Warp tool, drag the control points, lines, or an area within the mesh to change the shape of the bounding box and mesh. You can flip the item horizontally, vertically, rotate 180 degree, 90 degree, clockwise and anti-clockwise with these shortcuts.